Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn field. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like
the lone wolf about to prey.
And his opponent, first, from Palm Springs, Florida, weighing in at 245 pounds, Brice Dixon.
Three big names set to do battle here tonight, guys, in this triple threat match.
You're right, Michael. It doesn't get much bigger than this. And judging from the crowd reaction, they completely agree with us.
From Carson City, Nevada, weighing in at 186 pounds, Adam Ortiz.
Guys, we have triple threat action coming up as three of WWE's top superstars are set to square off.
And Michael, I can realistically envision any one of these three competitors having their hand raised in victory here tonight.
We often discuss that strategy is so important in a triple threat match. To emerge victorious, a superstar must be able to seize opportunity. That could include letting an opponent do all the work and beating down the other participant, and then coming in to reap the benefits.
Harsh impact. Oh, man. What impact. Going for the cover. 1,
2. In February of 2017, SmackDown Live was lit thanks to an epic triple threat match for the WWE Championship. Champion Bray Wyatt defended the title against former champions John Cena and AJ Styles. This battle overflowed with mayhem before the match even got underway, thanks to Luke Harper attacking his former leader, Bray Wyatt.
It's not often that the WWE Championship is incapacitated before a title defense. John Cena and AJ Styles rekindled the rivalry with a renewed enthusiasm for destroying one another. Bray Wyatt ended the match and made up for lost time as the Eater of Worlds used his body as a weapon. It was pure chaos as AJ Styles followed suit with an unbelievable array of aerial attacks on both superstars. And John Cena continued to fight back in hopes of winning a record-breaking 17th World Championship.
All three superstars pulverized each other with every move in their respective arsenals. When it looked like another air assault was coming from AJ Styles, John Cena thwarted the attempt right into Sister Abigail from Bray Wyatt to end the conflict. In that victory, the WWE went further into the darkness that was the era of Wyatt.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
What a stomp!
Good grief. I think this is the beginning of the end. Oh, just inflicting so much damage to the body.
Truly devastating, Cole. A risky move, but it seems to have...
Penny in predicament. Not much behind that pin attempt.
Nah, not yet. Too early. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Going to be woozy after that impact.
Looking for the exclamation point.
The superstar always needs to be ready to be attacked by both opponents in a triple threat match. Circumstances create interesting alliances, and the numbers game can become your worst.
I think we know what this is. What impact.
So impressive.
This is it.
Should be getting coached up right now.
Bam! What a slam.
We got to cover. A competitor must be ready for the possibility that they'll fall victim to a 2-on-1 attack on a triple threat match. A great example of that was the triple threat match on SmackDown Live between AJ Styles, Dolph Ziggler, and Baron Corbin. No one thought that Ziggler and Styles would work together to perform a double dive off the barricade that put Corbin through the Spanish announce table.
And that's exactly what a superstar always needs to have in the back of their mind. That at some point, their two opponents will most likely join together and take them out. It's one of many occupational hazards that come with competing in a triple threat match.
Oh, across the top rope.
At 2016's Clash of Champions, it was another classic triple threat match for the Raw Women's Championship. It was Bayley versus the Boss, Sasha Banks, versus the champion, Charlotte Flair. The match started out more like a singles match between the Boss and the Queen. Bayley learned very quickly it was every woman for herself.
And he's heading back in. This could be all she wrote.
The triple threat match for the Raw Women's Championship was another example of the incredible competition between the female superstars of WWE. Charlotte was physically dominant and fighting off the challenges of Bayley and Sasha Banks. At one point, the Queen even landed a moonsault on both their opponents at the same time, but the Boss and Bayley put it on the line and kept fighting.
There were several near pinfalls during this battle, but in the end, as Bayley
You can't believe this one's over.
Victory is on the hook.
Look at that. Incredible. Looking at it here.
Death Valley bomb. This one is over.
should be getting coached up right now.
Buster.
And there it is, boys.
1, 2. Kick out at 2. Whoa, that may have been a slow count.
Can you believe this? Oh, man, what a leg drop.
Oh, man.
It all started in 1988 when SummerSlam emanated from New York City. The main event for that inaugural event, the Mega Powers versus the Mega Bucks.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
They get dangerous out here, especially when there are no countouts.
Oh, what impact.
The tension, the drama. This is electric. You know, these guys are giving it absolutely everything they've got.
Back in the ring now. Uh-oh.
Byron calf pressures in.
Cinched in, nowhere to go. Oh boy, he is rolling.
No, there's the reversal.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. We've seen this before.
Nasty impact.
Game, set, match. This one is...
And will this be it?
One. Barely at 2.5.
Wow, what's it going to take?
One arm hooked. Nailed it. That's how you put an extra cover here.
1, 2. Well, that was a close call.
Wow. That's pure power, guys.
The tension, the drama. This is electric.
Nope, reverses it.
Who's making a statement here with this attack?
One more look at it.
Vicious attack. If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will.
That's one way to get your frequent flyer miles.
Look at this. This could do it. And there's the kick out. Wow.
One arm hooked. Oh, what a slam! That hurt!
That should do it right there.
Some superstars who've competed in a triple threat match feel it's a good idea to have both a finishing move that brings you to a pinfall attempt on your opponent and a submission move that can make your opponent tap out. Given the chaotic and unpredictable nature of a triple threat, that sounds like a good plan to me.
Byron, before you mention the strategy some superstars have implemented for competing in a triple threat match, and that includes having a finishing maneuver to put someone away for the 1, 2, 3, and a submission to make them tap out. There are many superstars in WWE who can do just that, which makes them even more dangerous to opponents.
The way I look at it is you can never have enough weapons at your disposal, especially in something like a triple.
Look at that a second time. Power bomb! Here's a cover. Could be it. 2.